Hi guys! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hello! Today is my birthday. I want to decorate the room. First, put up the flag first. Second flag. Subscribe. Next, I put 6 flowers out of paper. 1 yellow, 2 green, 3 blue, 4 is light blue, 5 pink, 6 is red. Next, I want to blow up 5 balloons. 1 pink balloon. 2 is red. 3 green. 4 yellow. 5 light blue. Hooray! Done! Next, I decorated the birthday cake with cherries. I put it on top of the cake. The cherries, I put on the second tier of cake. The third too. Good job! Next, I added 5 candle colors. Yellow candle, red candle, pink candle, light blue candle, finally the green candle. Oh! Oh! Hooray! Everything is done! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you!